Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating science behind rain and snow. These natural phenomena are not just beautiful to watch, but are also crucial for our planet's ecosystem. Ever wondered how these natural wonders form? It's a process that involves a delicate balance of temperature, air currents, and water vapor. Let's break it down. Understanding this process can give us a deeper appreciation for the weather patterns we experience daily. First up, cloud formation. Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and even the ground, rising into the atmosphere as water vapor. This is the first step in the water cycle, a continuous process that recycles Earth's water supply. As it climbs, it cools and condenses on tiny particles like dust or pollen, forming clouds. These particles act as nuclei, around which water droplets can form. This is a key part of the water cycle. Without these particles, clouds wouldn't form, and we wouldn't have rain or snow. Now, if the cloud temperature is above freezing, which is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, those water droplets combine and grow. They collide with each other, merging to form larger droplets. When they become too heavy for the air currents to support, they fall as rain. This is why we often see rain during warmer weather. But what about snow? Snow formation is a bit more complex and magical. If the cloud temperature is below freezing, water vapor turns directly into ice crystals. These crystals are the building blocks of snowflakes. These crystals stick together to form snowflakes. Each snowflake is unique, with its own intricate pattern. For snow to reach the ground, the air at ground level also needs to be cold. If the air is too warm, the snowflakes will melt before they hit the ground. If not, those snowflakes might melt and, you guessed it, turn into rain. This is why we sometimes see a mix of rain and snow during transitional weather. Here's a cool fact: snow usually forms when ground temperatures are at or below 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, but heavy snowfalls happen most often around -9 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Fahrenheit, or warmer. This might seem counterintuitive, but there's a reason for it. Why? Because warmer air can hold more water vapor, leading to more snow. So, even though it's cold, the air is still able to carry enough moisture to produce significant snowfall, because warmer air can hold more water vapor, leading to more snow. This is why some of the heaviest snowfalls occur when temperatures are just below freezing. So how does this all tie together with the water cycle? The water cycle is a continuous loop that involves the movement of water in various forms. Water from Earth's surface evaporates, forms clouds, and then falls back as rain or snow, depending on the temperature. This cycle is essential for replenishing our water sources and maintaining life on Earth. It's a continuous, mesmerizing cycle. The water we see today has been part of this cycle for millions of years. To sum it up, rain and snow are all about temperature and water vapor. These two factors determine whether we get a rainy day or a snowy wonderland. Rain forms in warmer clouds where droplets merge and fall. This is why we often associate rain with warmer, more humid conditions. Snow forms in colder clouds where ice crystals combine and float down as flakes. This process creates the beautiful, intricate snowflakes we see during winter. That's the magic of our atmosphere at work. It's a complex system that creates the weather patterns we experience every day. Next time you see rain or catch a snowflake, you'll know the science behind it. Understanding this can make us appreciate these natural phenomena even more. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating insights. See you next time.